day everyone, I am Mariel Grace Ompoy from grade 11 Maltese Cross and I am going to discuss all about from Empowerment Technologies Quarter 3 Module 5 entitled Imaging Design for Online Environment. Imaging and Design for Online Environment is an online graphics and layout that taught me many effective things in order to use image and its advantages. They can improve cognition by utilizing graphics to enhance the human visual system's ability to see patterns and trends. In Lesson 1, there are 6 types of basic principles of graphics and layout. First is the balance. Second is the color. Third, the proximity. Fourth, the alignment. Fifth, the repetition. And the last is the contrast. Now, let's talk about the balance. There are 2 basic types of balance, the symmetrical and asymmetrical. The symmetrical design layout elements of equal weight on either side of an imaginary center line. The asymmetrical balance uses elements of differing weights, often laid out in relation to a line that is not centered within the overall design. Next is the color. Color is used for emphasis or may elicit emoticons from viewers. Next, let's talk about the proximity. It is simply the process of ensuring related design elements are placed together. Next is the alignment. It is simply the way visual elements are arranged so that they line up in some way. There are 2 basic kinds of alignment, the edge and the center. Now, let's talk about the contrast. The contrast is a divergence of opposing elements. Contrast allows us to emphasize or highlight key elements in your design. Now, let's move forward to the lesson 2 of the topic, which is the image manipulation techniques. The photo or image manipulation involves transforming or using various methods and techniques to achieve desired results. The last part of the lesson 2 is talk about the adjust sharpness. Experiment with your editing program's additional sharpening features to see the effect each produces. One you might try as a clarity or structure tool. It makes the edges of objects in the photo stand out more, giving the overall image as a punchier look. So, let us remember that while there is growing popularity of editing and posting image online, let us remember that respect each individual and use the netiquette. Remember the human. Next, editing images is a powerful tool, but it needs the responsibility and it should not be abused. And last, do not overdo in editing too, as if its editing output is far from reality of that image. Let us enhance but not to create a fantasy. So that's all the discussion all about the empowerment technologies from Quarter 3 Module 5 entitled Imaging and Design for Online Environment. I hope you get more knowledge about the given topic. Thank you, God bless, and keep safe.
1, 2, 3, 4